AI is replacing jobs, but it's also creating a brand new way to make money. Today, I'm revealing 5 powerful AI tools you can start using right now, and one of them could help you earn your first $100 online in just one day.
AI is changing everything, from how we work to how we earn. The good news? You don't need coding skills or a business degree. You just need the right tools and a little creativity. Let's explore 5 AI tools you can use right now to make $100 a day. First is ChatGPT, an AI writing assistant that can help you write blog posts, product descriptions, and ad copy for small businesses. You can find clients on Fiverr, Upwork, or even LinkedIn. For example, creating just 10 short product descriptions for $20 each means 5 clients could get you $100 in one day. Next is Canva, a graphic design platform with built-in AI features. You can create stunning logos, social media posts, or YouTube thumbnails in minutes. Sell your designs on Etsy or offer them as services on freelance platforms. 5 logos at $20 each, that's $100 a day. Third is Pictory, a tool that turns text into professional videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Many content creators don't have time to edit, so they'll pay for quick, high-quality videos. 10 short videos at $10 each easily hit the $100 mark. Fourth is MidJourney, an AI art generator that creates unique, high-quality images. These can be sold on print-on-demand sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon. Just 5 designs could bring in $100 in sales. And finally, ElevenLabs, an AI voice generator that produces studio-quality voiceovers in seconds. Offer your services on Fiverr, Voices.com, or directly to YouTubers. Just 4 short scripts at $25 each is all it takes to make $100 a day. AI isn't just the future. It's a money-making machine if you know how to use it. Start with one tool, master it, and scale up. Which AI tool will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI money-making tips.